Let's get to our vacuum sealer bag. We're going to put the steak inside, and I'm using salt, pepper, some thyme, a bay leaf, as well as some oil. And now we're ready for the vacuum sealing process, which is pretty quick and easy. All right, our steak is ready for the next step. I have a Joule from ChefSteps. Let's open the app. I'm going to type in T-bone steak in the search engine. There it is. Now it'll ask you for some suggestions. I like my steak medium rare, so I select medium rare. The steak is fresh, not frozen, and it's 1.5 inches thick. And we're off to the next step. When the water comes to temperature, it's just as easy as dropping the steak into the container and waiting the 90 minutes until the steak is done. Joule will send you a notification when your food's ready to go. When it comes out, I'm going to warn you, it does not look pretty. If someone put this steak in front of me, I would probably stand up and walk away. But that's why we do the next step. Let's go to the grill and get this steak finished. About 1.5 minutes per side, I would say, until you get the color you're looking for. And here is the final product, a medium rare T-bone steak, I think cooked to perfection, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, thanks to all of the work the Sous Vide did, and let's eat supper.